Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes how to Windows 11, 10 repair EFI partition. Boot with bootable CD or USB. Click Next, click Repair your computer, click Troubleshoot, click Command Prompt. Type disk part. Type list space, disk. Star indicates partition is GPT. Select space, disk space, 0. Type list space, partition. Select system partition. Type assign space, letter equal to S. Type exit. Type format space, S:// space, /f / FAT32. Type volume label. Type S:// dir. Find your Windows installation drive. In my case, C drive is Windows installation drive. Type bcd boot space, C:/Windows space, /s space, S:/ space, /f space, EFI. Exit and start Windows. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.